right, do you have any questions?
No, I'm good. Thank you.
Okay, that's it. Thanks for coming in. Have a great day. Hi, I'm Emily with PTS Diagnostics. I'd like to talk to you about cleaning and disinfecting your Cardiochek analyzer. We all know how important that is, so I'm going to show you the best way to do it. So all your tests will be accurate and safe, and so you'll save time and keep your schedule on track. Always clean and disinfect your Cardiochek analyzers after each test and before you store them. We find it's easy to clean them as soon as you finish the screening and enter the results. This keeps your schedule running smoothly. We recommend using super sandy cloth wipes or any disinfectant with the same EPA regulatory number. First, wring out the excess liquid. Then carefully wipe the analyzer clean. It's important to clean the analyzer thoroughly before disinfecting, so make sure to clean all surfaces well. Dispose of the wipe according to universal guidelines. Then you can dry the analyzer with cotton gauze or allow it to air dry. Now that you've cleaned your analyzer, it's time to disinfect. Get another fresh wipe. Wring out the excess liquid and wipe the analyzer thoroughly. The analyzer needs to stay wet for 2 minutes to kill all bloodborne pathogens. You might need to wipe the analyzer again to make sure the disinfectant is in contact with the analyzer for the full 2 minutes. It's important to let the analyzer completely air dry before you use it. This cleaning and disinfection process won't slow you down at all. You can do this while you are getting ready for the next participant. This is a good time to prepare your patient logs or anything else you need to do to perform your next test. Now that you've cleaned and disinfected your analyzer and you're set up for your next test, you'll need to clean the optical glass. Use an alcohol wipe to carefully clean the glass and remove any dried disinfectant. Then, use a gauze pad to dry it. This is a good time to inspect your analyzer for any damage to the glass. And that's it! You're ready for your next participant, or ready to store your Cardiochek analyzer.